Alright folks, this is Brian with Huggy Bear RV Sales. I'm here with the newest Grand Villa that we just got on our lot. It is a 42 Zen Grand Villa by Forest River. We got her labeled as stock number 1129. Let's walk around the outside of this thing, check her out. 3 axles on this thing. She's a big one. You'll notice that they did put 2 awnings on this now instead of just the one like the 42 and 44 View had. Had some issues with those awnings, so I think the 2 shorter awnings is a good fix for it. Let's kind of just take a look at the back. Oh, let's take a look inside. Go in the back door. Let's start at the front. Like I said, 42 Zen. As we go in, you look to the right, you got the master bedroom. It's your kitchen and living space, and then you get the rear bathroom back there. Let's start up here. Let's go on here to the master bedroom. Here's the controls. Tankless water heater. When you go in here, notice, look at this storage. The wardrobe, got a fireplace in the bedroom with the TV. Nice large wardrobe. Got nice drawers, got some cabinets under here. And like I said, some drawers down here. King size Versatilt bed. And the nice thing now is the bedroom, master bedroom, has a bath right off of it. Full bath. Sorry I don't have it plugged in, so I don't have any lights in here yet. But there's your bowl, sink, shower, and toilet. Private right off of the bedroom. Just walk out here. An 8-foot countertop island. Solid surface on all the countertops. Residential appliances. LG refrigerator. Got 4 bar stools for the island. This does pull out into a bed. So if you got any extra guests that want to sleep, you can sleep 10 people with the lofts and beds. Back here to the main bathroom. So you walk in here, you got the toilet, you got the large shower. In here, you got the washer dryer prep, or if you don't need the washer dryer, you just got plenty of storage, closet storage. I like the bowl on top of the sink for the sink. That's nice on top of the countertop. Again, back here, solid surface countertops. Nice mirror. Plenty of storage back here too. So there's a nice little hidden speed feature back there. Again, solid surface. It's got the televator, so if you want the TV, you just raise that up out of the top. If you want, counter space, you lower it. Second fireplace down here in the main area. So 2 fireplaces in this. Forgot to show you this. Look at this. Got the nice storage pantry racks. Closed up. It's just part of the cabinetry. Let's check out the lofts. Let's walk up the back loft here. Got a couple drawers in there. Nice headboard that they added. Nice upgraded mattress. Nice memory foam mattress. No more of those little 3-inch teddy bear mattresses that are a little thin for big guys like me. But yeah, plenty of storage up here. Plenty of bed for sleeping size. Take a look around. Get the ceiling fan. Let's go check out the front loft. All these are lights that come on. Walk up the spiral staircase. Here you got another nice queen size mattress. Plenty of storage up there in that loft. And I want to show you this little cool feature right there. You know, you got a child that's up here, likes to draw, do homework, whatever it is. Just sit right here, put your feet down in, and you got a desk. Let's turn this around so you can see it. Yeah, plenty of room. So yeah, this is a 42 Zen air conditioner up here. "42 Zen" by Grand Villa.